This week, we read a portion of Vayeitzei, and the great Maggid of Mizrich tells us, based on the teaching of the Kabbalah, that Vayeitzei, the word Vayeitzei, is an acronym of 4 words: Vayar, Yaakov, Tzuras, Aleph. That Yaakov saw the image of the letter of Aleph, the first letter of the Hebrew alphabet. What is the Maggid telling us over here? What is Kabbalah teaching us over here? Yaakov, as he was ready to leave the land of Israel, the land of Canaan, knowing to where he was going, to the land of Haran, to deal with his dishonest uncle Lavan, he was afraid. Became frightened. What's going to be with me? How, God forbid, will I be affected by the environment of the land of Haran? And therefore the Torah tells us that when Yaakov leaves, he fortifies himself with the letter of Aleph, knowing that if I have this letter of Aleph with me at all times, I will overpower the evil powers, and I will be successful. What is the Aleph? Aleph represents Alufa Shalolam. The Aleph represents the master of the world. And knowing and remembering God at all times, Yaakov was reassured that no negative will befall him. On the contrary, he will be successful. And that the Rebbe explains the difference between Golus and Geula, the difference between exile and redemption, is the Aleph. When one takes the word Golus and puts into it the letter of Aleph, it now spells Geula, redemption. And this is exactly what Yaakov was about to encounter. He was going into exile, he was going into Golus, but knowing that the letter of Aleph stands before him, he was going to be successful, he was going to bring godliness into the land of Haran, and he will bring redemption for him and his entire family. As we read at the end of the portion, Yaakov comes back to the land of Israel and is greeted by the heavenly angels, and with great wealth, happiness, and a beautiful large family. May God bless us all, that we all remember the Tzura of Aleph. Let's all of us take that letter of Aleph and put it into the exile in which we find ourselves. And that way we will all merit redemption, not only for the hostages, but we will merit redemption for the entire world. May it happen speedily in our day. Amen. Shabbat Shalom.